Road Vehicles Cybersecurity Engineering. ISO C21434. ISO 21434 Training Workshop. Presented by Tonex Training. ISO C21434 is a baseline for vehicle manufacturers and suppliers to ensure that cybersecurity risks are managed efficiently and effectively. The standard was specifically developed to ensure the safety and security of the ultimate road user and driver. Why ISO 21434 is extremely important. ISO 21434 is extremely important for the automotive industry. It provides a standardized cybersecurity framework, establishes cybersecurity as an integral element of engineering. Topics covered. Overview of ISO C21434 Cybersecurity Framework. Management of cybersecurity. Risk assessment methods. Concept phase. Product development. Production, operations, and maintenance. Supporting processes. Course modules. Overview of ISO C21434 Framework. Framework Cybersecurity Management and Implementation. Cybersecurity Activities. Road Vehicles Cybersecurity Engineering. ISO C21434. Want to learn more? Request more information. Log on to tonex.com. Or call at 1-972-665-9786.